Okay. Yeah, good luck, Josh. Good luck. Of course, Miss Globe. Ah! Hold on, guys. Let's show them. Ay, very handsome.
Okay,
Oh my God. Hello, sister. Good luck. Hello, Sawadika. So let's check the situation here. This is the stage for tonight, and of course I'm gonna showcase my beauty. Oh, mi amiga from Venezuela. Oh. Say hello to everyone.
hello, mabuhay Philippines. Atisa's gonna win.
Really?
Wow, no.
Perísima. So
Sorry.
who will
Turks
win?
and Caicos.
Really? You're number
For
one.
me, yeah, my number one shot.
Turks and Caicos.
So if it's Thailand or Venezuela or Philippines, anyone, I will be happy too. So let's
Buena
see.
suerte for us.
Thank you, you too.
You look stunning. You look
Thank
like
you.
$1 million.
Always
Hola,
like
please.
Hola,
We're live
mabuhay,
on Mixology
Philippines.
Pahina. So name your final three.
My final three: Turks and Caicos, China, and Philippines.
Wow, very bold choices.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hi. Sir Pablo, pa-picture po.
Ay, sure po. Hello. Oh my God! The Choicely people. The voting.
Ay, pwede po dito.
Okay, better
Ilaw
light.
po. Sensya na po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Hey, buddy. So happy to see you.
Good to see you.
Hello. You look fantastic. Ah, thank you. So, introduce yourselves, guys. Say hello to the fans.
Hello everyone. Nice to see you all here. Big night.
Big night,
Or
huh?
it's morning.
Ah, big morning.
I'm not sure what to call it.
The most beautiful day in the universe. Right now. Happening now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good morning, everyone, or night, depending where you are.
And you guys are from?
Finland.
Finland.
Yes.
Okay. Lovely to meet you. To see you again. Okay. They are in charge of the app, Choicely, the official voting. Okay, let's look around and check. Hello, hello. Okay, from Philippines?
Philippines.
Ah, okay.
Parang hinabag yung set ko. Yung reflex lang gano'n. Thank you.
Thank you, nice to meet you. Tarlac. Taga Tarlac. Ay, nag-ano ako doon. Rumampa ako doon. Nice to meet you. Hello, hola. Sure po. Thank you, nice to meet you. Okay, guys. Hello, say hello to... hello po. Okay, guys. We're live on Mixology.
Mixology.
Can you name your top 3 final bets?
Of course, Atisa Philippines, Cote d'Ivoire,
Cote d'Ivoire.
and Colombia.
Colombia. Oh,
How about
okay.
you?
Cote d'Ivoire, Thailand, and of course Philippines.
Pack na pa.
Yes.
Ako, Philippines, Colombia, and Thailand.
Wow. Okay.
And
sino pa?
Miss Pawi.
Ito number 1 namin, Pawi of course.
Andyan yung ano, brother ni Mexico.
Ganda ng
Ay,
beshi ko.
mahal ko na siya.
Numero 2.
Numero 2. Ah, nakita mo yun. Okay.
Ganda beshi.
Beshi, thank you for my suit. Ay, Pasabog din pala. Oh.
I love it.
Hey, buddy! Nice to see you.
Okay. Someone's over there. No, it's just there.
Iba ka talaga.
Where's Summer?
So many talents.
Hola! Say hello to the fans.
Hello, fans. Hola, fans. Hi, everybody. Mabuhay. Kapungka.
Who are your top three? Final
Guys,
three.
your favorite in one word.
Okay.
Mexico.
Shamsi and
Mexico.
Your favorite.
Thailand.
India.
It's so much. There's so much energy in the venue right now, guys. And of course, let's welcome the very beautiful Crown Sisters. So we're live on Missology.
Hello, Miso fans, Misosology. And after how many weeks now? It's been 2 weeks, two and a half weeks since we started this the coverage of Miss Universe, 74th Miss Universe 2025 pageant. Why I look ugly here?
It's the lighting. It's the lighting.
No, it's not. You remove the bloody. How do you call this?
There's no filter in live.
But earlier you look so great, and suddenly I look dreadful. Sorry guys about my voice. I have not been feeling well recently, and
But very quickly, who are your top three? Final three.
and of course your favorite too. First, I have to mention Thailand has to be there. Okay, we need to cheer them up, and I think she deserves to be there. Performance-wise, you know, overall performances, Thailand. And then, of course, coming from the Philippines.
Wow, look at your number of viewers.
Oh?
9,000
Exactly.
live
It
viewers.
was 12,000 earlier.
More than me.
Oh, what is that?
Can you imagine?
Oh, well,
Oh,
we're nothing
diba?
comparing to you. And this is our favorite guy, Uno.
Of
Okay,
course.
so can I say 5? I'm rooting for India,
Bilis na. Who
India,
else? India,
Philippines, Puerto Rico, Thailand, and one more. Can I get another non-such country? I like Turks and Caicos.
Turks and Caicos.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Yes.
we'll
If
see.
there's justice in this world, I'd love to see non-such countries
Luigi.
as well making the top cut.
Bawi. Oh, hello. Oh my
Thank you,
God.
everyone. Thank you for
Finally.
following Crown Sisters channel.
Okay, let's meet our OG Missologists. So, who are your final five?
Final 5, Colombia, Venezuela, Philippines of course, Thailand, and Cote d'Ivoire.
And what about you?
Thailand, Philippines, Colombia, Cote d'Ivoire, and Latina.
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 Ah, very bold choices. Okay, thank you guys. Have fun.
Oh, it's your